UiPath stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Yeah, UiPath is nice. Well, man, it's like 2% up. With all that to say that UiPath for me was in the supply zone, right? And all this meant to me is that if I saw a double break, I was willing to sell, because one break doesn't mean much. But I'm gonna come out here and say that this shift actually meant a bit. You know, it means a lot. You know, because I can clearly see the power behind it, and I can definitely count on this as a proper shift. And with this in mind, my whole like daily chart and bias is going to be bullish, because you can see the power behind this. So moving into the next freaking Thursday, Friday days, the only thing I'm looking to do is I'm biased towards the higher time frame, right? Long side predictions bullish, meaning that this is the 30-minute chart, and the only way that I'm going to buy here is if the price gives me some sort of a double break. And if that does not happen, then I'm not going to be buying. It's actually very simple. And all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for the rules to be met. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.